50 episodes! I can't believe we made it to 50. Welcome to Chicago Auto Pros. 50th episode, thank you for joining us. If you are joining us today, we are doing a giveaway and everybody's a winner, every single one of you. But there's 5 things you have to do before you get your prize. First, let's show the prizes. Somebody's gonna win a $100 gift certificate. This is gonna be for somebody local, of course, that they can spend here at Chicago Auto Pros. We have a bunch of Chicago Auto Pros gear that we're gonna give away too. We have some water bottles we're gonna be giving away. We have some of these awesome, we have some of these awesome hats, fitted hats. We got a couple different sizes. And then we got a bunch of Chicago Auto Pros, our new logo sticker. So everybody's a winner, but you gotta do 5 things. They're gonna be easy things, they're not hard. The first thing you gotta do is watch the entire video, because I'm gonna drop the 4 other things throughout this vlog that you're gonna have to do. Real easy. And this is actually gonna be our last vlog here at Chicago Auto Pros. I've learned a lot doing these vlogs. We just started these vlogs kind of on a whim. I wanted to do video stuff, and I enjoyed the video stuff and wanted to get better at editing and doing videos, so we just started doing vlogs every day. Awesome, I've had a great time, super cool. We're not done with the videos. We're gonna come back. We're coming back with season 2. I'm gonna take 2 or 3 weeks off. I wanna do some operations stuff with Chicago Auto Pros that I've been trying to concentrate on, and it's hard to do when we're doing the vlogs and everything. So a couple weeks off and we're gonna hit it back, and I'm gonna do a new format type of thing. I got some ideas for the new vlog. It's gonna be hopefully way different and way better. But you'll have to stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe, please. So let's get started, stay tuned. Let's show you what's going on in the shop right now, come on. Lowered GMC Yukon, supercharged. This one's getting a full front end paint protection film, and then we're gonna do Crystal Serum Ultra on the rest of the painted surfaces. We prepped this one yesterday. I think it may be ready to go over to the film room today. They're working on a Tesla Model 3 that they gotta finish. That's a full wrap over there. Porsche GT3 in my favorite color, white. This is one of our good customers, Steve's. He's an ex-race car driver, so he's super cool to talk to. We're doing the full front end in paint protection film, and then we're doing Modesta. We'll probably do BCO5 on this one. We had a couple guys working on this truck yesterday. It was blue, we wrapped it in white gloss vinyl, and then put the AAA stickers on it. This is for a good repair shop down the street that we use. Good guys, so helped them out by wrapping it. We had a lot of coatings yesterday. They all went out. This is a coating that we did probably almost a year ago now. We did Modesta on this Honda Accord, and now it's in for an exterior coating maintenance. Tesla Model 3 from yesterday, G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra. And then the Camaro that we did yesterday too. Tadas was having problems with this. He started coating it, and doing the actual coating was marring the paint. So we decided to do a layer of BCO6 on the car, just to give it that base layer, so the paint wouldn't be so soft when we actually applied the coating. So that actually helped out a lot. And this is beautiful. We'll get this outside first thing this morning. It actually was raining, so hopefully we'll get it outside. And we'll do some nice after shots for you guys. So now that you know what's going on here, we're gonna get started. We're gonna wait for the guys to come in. You have clue number 1, which is to watch the entire video. That should be easy, right? I'm gonna give you clue number 2 right now. It's easy. Press like, the little thumbs up button, and press subscribe. Number 2, that's it. All right, enjoy the show. It's mail time!
Propane.
Don't joke about anybody.
Squeegees for vinyl wrap. Ooh. These are postcards for our upcoming car show. It is September 23rd, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. A lot of fun stuff. We're gonna have a food truck again. We're gonna have a bunch of vendors coming out. Hope you can make it. Ooh, I think these are business cards. And I picked mine. What do you know? Business cards, focus. That is the back or the front, whatever you want.
Business cards?
Business. All right, task number 3 is to share this vlog. Share it on Facebook, share it in a group, share it on Instagram, share it on Twitter, wherever you are on social media. If you're not on social media, share it with a friend, text it to them. I don't care, just share it to somebody. Let somebody know how great we are. We do a lot of these BMW 7 Series. They're actually pretty challenging because the back window actually has this shade motor that's in the way. We actually have to take the seal out of the door to fit the window tinted properly without damaging it.
Did a Corvette Grand Sport in the shop. This one's getting the entire vehicle wrapped in paint protection film. Number 4 thing to be entered in the giveaway. And remember, everybody's a winner in this giveaway. I want you to comment down below. Congratulate us on 50 episodes, tell us a joke, do whatever, I don't care, but put a comment down below. That's the end of the day. The guys are still working out there, just finishing up, but that's the end of the day, end of the vlog. End of vlog 50, end of the Chicago Auto Pros vlogs as you know it. We're coming back in a couple weeks, don't worry. I'm gonna have a slightly different format, just gonna take a little bit of a break, but we'll be back. Oh, and number 5 thing that you have to do to be entered into the giveaway is to email me at jason@chicagoautopros.com. Email me your mailing address. Everybody's a winner. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.